This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to make phone calls or send text messages on your Android tablet, even if you don't have like a data plan or something like that, or a SIM card. What you can do is just go to the Google Play Store. And then, let me back out here. Got it. We want to get this application. It's called Text Now. Now this is a free app, so we can go to search, go to Text Now. That allows you to make text messages and phone calls over Wi-Fi for free. And then you do have the option to buy a plan, but if you don't have like a data connection on your device here, you're not going to be able to use it outside your house because you won't have a SIM card that's being able to be installed. So we can go to Text Now called Plus Text Unlimited, and we can just set this up. It's super simple. And I got my name in there, my profile, etc. And then you're going to have to choose a phone number. I already have everything set up. But we can just go to calls, and we can set this up right now. And then we are good to go. So you can see chats right here. I can open up a chat. I can make a call real easy. I don't have any missed calls or anything like that. So just type in a phone number. It's free between USA and Canada. So I should be able to just type in a number now, whatever it is, and then press call. I should be able to call that person. Then we go to the menu too, and we do have the option under here to upgrade our service. So if you want to use it outside of our house, we can go to let's see, upgrades and stuff. I don't see it under here, but here it is. We can activate a SIM. We can activate a SIM card on here if our device supports it. I don't think mine does. Then we go to the free account. I can upgrade to remove the ads if I want. No thanks. And then here's the upgrades. I can go to, I think it's like $35, $36 a month to use this. So if I activate my SIM card, get started, will give me the option, no it won't. But you can look at this. I can't remember which towers it used. Probably something like similar to T-Mobile or something like that. So if that works in your area, this should work pretty well too. Ad-free. You can remove the ads. Now I don't have the option here is to upgrade the service under here because I don't think I have a SIM card that would work on here. So once you activate your SIM card, you should be able to just take this wherever, and you should be good to go. Otherwise, it's free with Wi-Fi for text and phone calls. So just check this app out. Maybe you only like it for a while until you upgrade your service somewhere else, or you could use the unlimited plan on here for $36 a month. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.